So folks, welcome to another update from the Auroville Files. As of late, many videos and articles have come out, engineered by miscreants in Auroville, which paints a completely wrong picture of the framework of Auroville. These videos propagate misinformation that Auroville does not belong to the Republic of India. Auroville belongs to nobody in particular. It belongs to humanity as a whole. But such no man's lands have to be administered by our governments. The responsibility of all assets of Auroville and any activities in any which way whatsoever related to Auroville is of the Government of India, as per the Auroville Foundation Act, enacted in 1988. And if Auroville is not a part of India, why is the FRRO issuing visas of India for it? It is also seen that the same people who used our political situation in 1976 to their advantage were the ones who enacted the Foundation Act. Today, they decide not to abide by it as their personal interests of properties are in question. The Government of India has been silent on the Inquiry Committee report made in 2019. It has not taken any action on the pirates who have hijacked the dream and have set a camp base in India. Our republic should really self-reflect if law and order are the agenda, or if it is related to fake media outcries. It is shame to our republic if it doesn't act, and the more it remains silent, questions arise as to what is this huge nexus for. Surely there are many loopholes that many politicians misuse, which cuts across political party lines. This is why for 4 decades, no governments in power have taken any action on Auroville. This is not a subject of tree huggers and hippies, but the government has to give due explanations as to why Article 14 of Constitution of India is disregarded and why the system of Auroville attracts many parasites from across the world. It has become a black hole where any crimes from pedophilia to embezzlement of public funds to Benami properties are forgiven as per mother's ideals. Article 25 of the Constitution also provides an Indian citizen the freedom to choose their spiritual practice. As such, any Indian can declare himself to be an Aurovillian. Does this mean that that person is forgiven for all crimes and has a blanket cover? It is time for India to self-reflect if it wants Auroville to be a rogue camp of pirates who are useless in their countries to base here and dictate terms to us. If India does not act, it is looking at another Kashmir in South India, and it will cost our nation dearly. Power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. A docuseries of the Auroville Files is coming soon, which explains the entire state of affairs from 1976 to 2022. So stay tuned, folks, to the Auroville Files to attain, and also subscribe to Facebook and Instagram Auroville Files India. We come up with hard-hitting facts, and we do not sugarcoat anything, and everything is backed up by a plethora of evidences which are available on our websites. So take care, folks. May love and light be with you.